so just getting out for a little nature. Hello, just at the local nature trail here, the Dallam Center. Just heading out for a little nature hike. It's like 60 degrees out today, so just getting out for a little nature. Hope you guys enjoy. Coming to some wetlands. Nice little bridge here. Really nice little creek. These things are pretty neat. They just show some of the wildlife that you'll likely see out here. It's really neat. Some of the animals and plant life out here. Hope you guys enjoy. It's crazy they got like some shelters out here. I don't know who was trying to build shelters, but yeah, it's pretty neat. Man, it's really nice out here. Just a ton of frogs. Just going nuts, just on the trail. Hope you guys enjoy. Gonna walk up this hill here and check out this little shelter here. I don't know what it is over here yet. Maybe just like a, just a little shelter, rain shelter. Cool. Love these little rain shelters on trails. Pretty nice. There's a bench here, just big open space. Really a nice day for it. And I think I'm about winding down here. It was a good day. Picked up a little litter on the way, and got to see some nature, some turtles, a deer. It was really nice. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.